Hello there, it's Haley from SevereWeatherTV.com, bringing you the latest in tropical cyclones and United States severe thunderstorm weather. So, tropical cyclone-wise, we have this area of probability, 30% chance at the moment for the next 48 hours. And in the longer run, the 5-day time frame, a 40% chance on this. So if you've been watching the screencast or following things, you might have seen, like, the previous model runs of the ECMWF. What's kind of been interesting about this entire thing is that the ECMWF has been the model that's been predicting possibly a major hurricane. You can see that thing. That looks like a major hurricane. Whereas the GFS, which tends to be the one that overpredicts the major hurricane, has been showing hardly anything. This is yesterday's run, where it's basically showing a major hurricane developing. Let's restart. This is the most recent run of the ECMWF. This is the model that tends to be more accurate. And basically, it's now showing absolutely nothing forming. It doesn't even look like it gets together enough to even call it like a tropical depression or even an extratropical cyclone or subtropical, one of those. However, now the GFS, which has formerly been showing absolutely nothing, is starting to be the model that's actually showing, or that is showing it being more favorable towards development towards something. However, if you look at the colors for that, that to me looks like it could be possibly a tropical storm, possibly a low-end hurricane, and compare that to the intensity of the colors on this one, this again being yesterday's model run for the ECMWF, where it's showing a major hurricane. So basically, as of this most recent model run, things not looking quite as favorable, which of course is good. And this is, of course, why I always put the disclaimer on the far future model type stuff. This is what could happen, but oftentimes things change quite drastically leading up to the actual event. At the moment, that's all that's going on, is this area, the 30% for the next 48 hours and then 40% for the next 5 days. So it'll be interesting to see if they being the National Hurricane Center, raises or lowers that probability in the future outlooks depending on what happens. And of course, things could also change. You know, things could go back to looking like that. Who knows? That's why you gotta pay attention. Yes, but you should never panic. Panic does not help. Severe thunderstorm weather-wise in the United States today. Today, absolutely nothing. All of the green areas are for just general thunderstorm type threat, not severe thunderstorm. However, tomorrow and the day after that, there is something. So this is tomorrow's map. This is where your slight risk area is. So 15% chance up there, 5% around it, 5% around it. Day after tomorrow, this is where the threat area is as of now. And then after that, in the medium range, as they call it, these are actually at the moment probability too low, so there might not be any thunderstorms coming. But of course, as if you pay enough attention, oftentimes even when they being the Storm Prediction Center put like probability too low in the medium range forecast, you often end up seeing something show up. But it's indicative that there is no strong major systems on the horizon or whatnot. SevereWeatherTV.com is a webpage you can go to for links to other things if you like. You can also go to Cyclocane if you like hurricanes. Yep, that is it for today. And hopefully you're having fun.